Hello and welcome. In today's Power BI tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to create a filter on a visual, an incredibly useful feature for anyone building interactive dashboards or reports in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to let users filter data on individual charts, making your reports more dynamic and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up your skills, this is a foundation you absolutely want to have down. So let's dive right in. When you're working in Power BI, you've probably noticed the filter pane on the right side of the screen. By default, it usually shows filters like filters on this page and filters on all pages. Now, those are helpful if you want to filter everything on a page or even across your entire report. But maybe you want more control. Sometimes you just want to filter one specific visual and leave the rest untouched. That's where the filter on this visual option comes in. Let's see how it works in practice. First, go ahead and add a new bar chart to your report. You can do this by clicking on the bar chart icon in the Visualizations pane. Once your chart is on the canvas, add the data fields you'd like to analyze, say drag in product and sales amount, for example. Here, where things get interesting. When you look at the filter pane now, you'll see an area called Filters on this visual. Any field you drop into this section will only affect this one chart and nowhere else on the page. That's really helpful if you want to compare multiple visuals side by side, each filtered differently. Let's take the product field as an example and add it as a filter for this bar chart. You'll notice it immediately pops up under filters on this visual. Right away, you'll see you've got three choices. Let's imagine they're different products. A B and C, you can now check each option separately. Go ahead and click on just one product. Say product A. Notice how the bar chart updates automatically to only display data for that selected product. This gives you an incredibly flexible way to analyze specific slices of your data without changing anything else on the page. It's like putting customized glasses on just that one visual. You see only what you want for that specific context. And here's something handy: if you uncheck a filter option, it clears that filter and the chart will display all the data again. It's simple but very powerful, letting your viewers control exactly what they want to see or reset the view in just a click. Don't worry if the data doesn't appear to change at first. Sometimes it takes a moment for Power BI to update the chart, especially if your dataset is large. Patience is key. Just keep experimenting until you get comfortable. The beauty of this approach is that you can try it out with any visual, not just bar charts. Pie charts, tables, maps, whatever you're working with, filters on visuals are always there to help you customize the experience for your users. And that's really all there is to it. Creating a filter on a visual in Power BI is straightforward, but it adds so much interactivity to your reports. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Have any questions or want to see more beginner-friendly Power BI tips? Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.